In this video, I'll show you how to shop on eBay safely and avoid getting scammed. While eBay is a great place to find unique items and good deals, you need to be smart about how you use it to stay protected. Let's go through some key tips to help you shop with confidence. First, check the seller's reputation. Always look at their feedback score and read a few recent reviews. This gives you a clear idea of how reliable they are and how they treat buyers. Aim for sellers with a high positive rating and consistent, detailed feedback. If a seller is new or has very few reviews, especially for expensive items, be extra cautious. Next, pay close attention to the listing details. Read the full description carefully and look at important information like item condition, shipping costs, and return policies. A well-written, detailed listing usually means the seller is more trustworthy. Also, examine the photos closely. If something doesn't match the description or looks suspicious, don't hesitate to message the seller for clarification. Another important step is comparing prices. Look at similar listings to understand the average price for the item. If a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is. Price comparison helps you avoid both overpriced items and potential scams. Communication is also key. Always use eBay's built-in messaging system when talking to sellers. This keeps everything secure and documented. Never agree to move the conversation off the platform or share personal information. If the seller is responsive and helpful, that's usually a good sign. When it comes to payments, stick to eBay's approved methods like PayPal, which offer buyer protection. Avoid unsafe options like wire transfers or direct bank payments, as these don't provide the same level of security. If a seller asks you to pay the platform, that's a red flag. Finally, understand eBay's money-back guarantee. This protects you if an item doesn't arrive, arrives damaged, or isn't as described. Keeping all transactions and messages within eBay ensures you're covered if something goes wrong. By following these tips, you can shop on eBay safely, avoid scams, and enjoy a smooth buying experience. Happy shopping!